try and butterfly them.
Butterfly it first?
No, butterfly it.
Now?
No, after you boil it.
Okay.
Find out after we cook it. And then you can give me your opinions then. Not before. Put this other butter back on so that you can see. Now Steve wants to order up a juicer now.
What juicer?
The one I got you. Only now, I think 31.40. Now it's on sale for 13.
13?
And they got a 40-ounce one, which is like a bigger cup.
13?
And it's got two heads. The bigger ones that do like grapefruit. It's $16.99.
Seriously?
I said, well, maybe I might order bigger.
No, honey, no. Don't be ridiculous now. I don't understand you. Hi. I like to eat the grapefruit. Eat it. Okay?
I like grapefruit juice.
Huh? Hungry, your kids, Tommy. Hungry.
He said talking to me made him like want fresh squeezed oranges now.
Why did you tell him that I squeeze every time you bought?
Yeah. I told him one from the cart. I had 10 oranges for $5 in the store. I paid like $9 for 8 oranges.
Did you tell him it's different when you have fresh juice?
Well, he knows.
Huh?
He knows.
Because it's
He's like me. He
different.
doesn't like buying it at the store. He always buys grown stamp because he got the most pulp, but it doesn't have as much pulp as fresh.
It's really different when you
And
fresh.
yeah, he goes, and then you get other chemicals in it, so it's
Yeah,
fresh.
it'll last longer.
Well, ideally, you should always squeeze.
Every
like-
time you drink.
Right.
That's why we don't have a big container in the refrigerator that you can drink it. But that's what I like when you want to drink it. It's fresh. That's the one I want to do.
Looks like you just take one out. Squeeze it.
Yes. Okay, next time when you buy it, and then when you want it, you have to let me know, or you can do it. And now what?
Crack it. Here. Not quick enough to pull it out.
Careful your finger, huh? The plate will go flying soon.
Yeah, I see it. Soft. 2 cooking size.
Oh, stop rubbing.
Oh, I need more butter.
Hot paper, honey. Yeah. You know where all this, honey. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling.
Can you try that strainer so I can put the pot over there?
What strainer? No, it's still hot. I will do it. I will do it. Okay. No, later, hon.
No, I want to dump it out.
Later.
Oh, clean easy when it's hot.
Later. It's hot. I'll do it myself.
He's right. You still got water dripping off of that.
Huh?
You still got water dripping off of that thing.
Adoy, pagkagahit. Han, you are the hardest head in the world. You know that? Huh?
Yep, I like it.
Oh, no. You said you like it. You don't even put it in the center. Aruroy, my husband is cooking sideways. Han, why it's hot? You're holding it, right?
Well, now it's not hot now. It was hot when I started.
Okay, take it out. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes.
Okay, on the side here. Okay, in the side here.
You put it in the center.
Okay, I'm going to turn it upside down.
Not yet. You just put the thing upside down it later a little bit. Squish it. Like this way. Kami ni Tami, it's cooked. Let's see. Ang sarap nito, uy. Iwan ko, basta lobster, mga seafood talaga. Isa ito sa mga weakness ko. Seafood. Okay, so, kain. Kain.
No, you might be. I got it. I see you got like 3 of them.
Mm-hmm. Is yours cooked? Why yours is white and mine is pink?
You see the girl.
Hmm?
Want to switch?
Look, yours is white, mine is pink.
Okay.
Let me see yours. Weird.
Want to switch?
No. I'm just curious. What is that? Not cooked, huh?
What do you mean?
Look, oh.
Clearly, they're both in the same pan. You want to put it back in the pan? You want me to put it back in? I'll put it back in. I didn't want it to get tough.
You know me, I'm freak about cooking. You don't put it in the boiling long enough, right? Why is yours white? What did you put?
Bleach. What I put. Probably got shell color in it. How sweet do you want?
I will put it in the pan longer, okay?
Okay.
I'll do it, honey. Look, I cook yours just to burn outside.
No.
What are you looking at, Misty? Sarap, guys.
She's rough. We have lobster shit.
What garlic you put in there? It's not fresh garlic, right? It's good, huh? Sarap.